If you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. Hello everyone, I'm back again. So today I'm in one resort that's in Udalguri. It's about 3 hours journey from Guwahati. So we are in a river resort. I'll just turn the camera and then I'll show you the name of the resort. So this is the name of the resort, river resort. The contact number also is written there, so you can just have a look and note it down if you wish to visit. This is the main entry, and that side, that is the parking area where you can go to the cottage also. We occupied that side. So now let me walk through the resort. This is the hut. There are many huts over there. I saw many people in the afternoon, but now they all left. And then let me show you this side. This side is the river side. We're going to make bonfire over there. So I will show you, I will take you there after some time. My nephews, they're playing badminton. And we are 10 of us, but I don't know where they all disappeared. I need to go in search of them. And this is the hall cum restaurant. So this is the river area, so I will take you there. So let's go towards the riverside and see whether we can see the river or not at night. But it's quite dark, so I don't know whether it will be visible or not. Just let's try. This is the tent. I think some people come and sleep here, but it's quite dark, so I'm scared to go inside. But I can see some blankets over there. And this is the river, but it's not very visible. Let's go that side and see whether we can see the river or not. Yeah, there I can see the blue river. Let's go that side. Yeah, this is the river, and this is the place where we are going to sit for 31st night. So this is very beautiful. During the day it's more beautiful, but I'm just showing you the night view. So this is the river, and here also they have one hut, and that side is the resort. These are the 2 cottages that we occupied. I mean, we occupied 4 rooms. So this is the first room, and then this side, this is the second room. So I'll be taking you inside. Let's start from the first room. This is the first room. Here he is. This is the first room. This is the small table that they kept, and then the washroom is very big. This is the washroom. Geyser is there, so during winter it's quite okay. So all the rooms are like this. This room, it costs 3,000 rupees per night, and the other 2 rooms, I'll just take you there. That side is the restaurant. This is the second room, and then we have another 2 rooms here, but I think they lock and went because they went near the riverside to make bonfire. So this is room number 1, and then the other one is room number 2. I think they first initially started with these 2 cottages. So this, because this looks a little old, but then the rooms are okay, not bad. Now let's go there.
Thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Hotel California. Anytime I fear, you can find here.
We are celebrating the New Year 2025, and this is the moment for us and for our resort that enjoying the moment, enjoying the feel, dancing and everything else. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Happy New Year!
First cake to our honor.
Yes.
There, Bhairabkunda.
Happy New Year, all of you!
Happy New Year!
Everyone, Happy New Year!
Now everyone is going to
Big
feel.
song!
We can give the sound.
Okay.
We can enjoy.
Give me that!
Hey!